Hello, my name is Steve Hermann, and I'm the author of Mediumship Mastery, the Ultimate Guide, which is my book on mediumship development available on Amazon. And there's all different types of techniques when it comes to developing mediumship, aren't there? You go to different mediums, sit in their circles, attend their workshops and classes, and you're going to learn different techniques to strengthen your attunement with the spirit world and to accurately learn how to bring through information. So mediumship training, it's ongoing. I want to share a particular technique today in this video, which really should help students of mediumship at all levels. And this is one approach to receiving names from the spirit world. It's actually very, very, very simple, but it's highly effective. And if you start to think about it and work with it and practice it and integrate it in with the regular way in which you receive information from the spirit world, in terms of working with your helpers, you're going to see the results. And so how do we get names? And there's all different types of names. There's first names, there's sir or last names, there's names of places. There's all sorts of names that are out there. So it's a good thing. And really, if a name within itself isn't everything, but when you do get a name, it backs up the other information that you're receiving from the spirit world. So when you're connecting to the spirit world, and you can work this with your team of helpers who work with you, what you want to do is in your mind, you can visualize, you can mentally see in your mind just one of those little sticky post-it type pads. And you can see that in your mind. And you can actually have the names written on that post-it pad in your mind. Another approach to doing this technique is to, in your mind, see a chalkboard and see the names written on a chalkboard. Now, I can tell you this right now. The spirits will work with you with this. They will write the names. They may even sign the name in cursive. And you can really receive highly accurate information this way from the spirit world. It might even be names in another language of places that are overseas, that you're not familiar with in terms of your geographical location. But they can give you their first name, they can give you your last name, and they can even give you their middle name. George Cutter, who was a very prominent, well-known platform evidential medium. If we go back into the early 20th century, he was fantastic. He is based in Boston, Massachusetts. He worked at many of the spiritualist camps. And when he used to actually get the names from the spirit world, he had a chalkboard up there on the platform, and he would write out their first, their middle, and their last name. Now, you can do the same thing, but you can start by seeing that chalkboard in your own mind and allow the spirits to present the name that way. So try this technique out. It doesn't matter if you're already a professional medium and working, or if you're just starting out. Integrate this technique into your approach. I'm really into the teaching aspect. I teach a lot of classes online as well as in person with mediumship workshops. I do one-on-one individualized mentoring and training. And I've got my book out, Mediumship Mastery. Please smack that subscribe button below. Hit the like. And if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to add your 2 cents below. Thank you so much. God bless you.